Hi, I'm AJ.
I'm Davina.
Welcome to FMES.
Quarantine News. Thank you to all the lunch ladies for making lunch for us in this moment of crisis.
Tune in to Fairview's Facebook page for Miss Alexander's contest.
I think you'll be surprised at how many lunches there is.
Thank you, Miss Wampler, for helping us pass out food and reading out loud. You really showed us what an awesome principal you are.
We are thankful that Mr. Helen beat cancer because we don't know what the school would do without you. Thank you for being there when we needed you.
Thanks, office staff, for all your hard work.
We really appreciate you, ladies.
Teachers, we really want to thank you for Virtual Spirit Week, field trips, and read out louds. You went above and beyond. We can't wait to see you again.
Thank you, Mr. Schultz. Virtual Field Day Week. That was a way of passing time and having fun. Thank you all the teachers for that message of love, but that really helped people in the middle of this crisis.
Hey, do you guys remember the Thankful Thursday video? That was one of my favorites because it brought back a lot of memories. Which is your favorite video that's been posted so far?
Thank you, parents, for helping us during the school year. We love you guys.
Congrats, 5th graders. We will miss you. Good luck at your new school. Thank you, Miss Hodge. Without you, virtual newsletters would have never happened. We also want to give a big shout out to Miss Smith for making all of this possible. I think I speak for both of us when I say this has been a great experience. Thanks for a great year. Be the one together.